Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rika Khairunnisa. I'm from 2B teaching primary mathematics, Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. HAMKA University Math Education. Today I want to give some explanation about quadrilateral, and I will to be talking about some material. The first, the definition of quadrilateral and the definition of the types of quadrilateral. Second, the characteristic of the type of quadrilateral. Third, the formula of the types of quadrilateral. And the last, the example of the type of quadrilateral. So let's start it. Happy watching. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are special types of polygons, as with triangles and other polygons. Quadrilaterals have special properties and can be classified by characteristic of their angles and side. No side parallel. The sum of the interior angles of any quadrilaterals is 360 degrees. Consider the two examples below. The first picture are the example of any quadrilaterals is 360 degrees, and the second picture are the example of any quadrilaterals is 180 degrees. Types of quadrilaterals. First, parallelogram. Parallelogram have two pairs of parallel sides. A parallelogram is a flat shape with opposite sides parallel and equal in length. The characteristic of parallelogram is first, opposite sides are parallel. Second, opposite sides are equal in length. Third, opposite angles are equal. Angle A are the same and angle B are the same. Fourth, angle A and angle B add up to 180 degrees. So there are supplementary angles. And the last, the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. The formula of parallelogram is the area are diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. The perimeter are 2 times base plus side. And there are the example problem for parallelogram. A parallelogram has a base of 6 meters and is 3 meters high. What is the area? The answer is 6 times 3 are 18 meters squared. And the second type is rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided flap shape where every angle is a right angle or 90 degrees. The characteristic of rectangle is first, each internal angle is 90 degrees. Second, opposite sides are parallel and of equal in length. So it is a parallelogram. The formula of rectangle is the area are width times height. The perimeter are 2 times width plus height. The example problem is a rectangle is 6 meters wide and 3 meters high. What is the area? The answer are width times height. And there is 6 meters times 3 meters. The answer are 18 meters square. And the third type is square. A square is a flat shape with 4 equal sides and every angle is a right angle or 90 degrees. The characteristic of square is first, all sides are equal in length. Second, each internal angle is 90 degrees. Third, opposite sides are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. And the formula of square is the area are side square or side times side. The perimeter are 4 times side. The example problem of square is a square has a side length of 6 meters. What is the area? The answer are side times side, or A times A. As the same, 6 meters times 6 meters. The answer are 36 meters square. And the 4 types is rhombus. A rhombus is a flat shape with 4 equal straight sides. The characteristic of rhombus is first, all sides have equal in length. Second, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. It is a parallelogram. Third, the altitude is the distance at right angle to two sides. And the last, the diagonal P and Q are the rhombus beside each other at a right angle. The formula of rhombus is the area are diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 times a half. And the perimeter of rhombus is 4 times side. The example of rhombus. A rhombus has diagonal of 6 meters and 8 meters. What is the area? The answer are diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 times a half. As 6 meters times 8 meters times a half, the answer are 24 meters square. And the last type is trapezoid. A trapezoid is a 4-sided flat shape with straight sides that has a pair of opposite sides parallel. The characteristic of trapezoid is first, has a pair of parallel sides. Second, isosceles trapezoid when it has equal angle from a parallel side. The formula of trapezoid is the area are side plus side over 2 times height. And the perimeter of trapezoid is all sum of side. And the example of trapezoid are a trapezoid has side length of 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 15 centimeters. What is the perimeters? We know the perimeter are sum of sides, and the answer are 5 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 15 centimeters, and the answer is 36 centimeters. Okay, maybe that are my explanation about quadrilateral. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm say sorry for some mistake for this video. And don't forget for like and share for this video, and subscribe this channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.